You are gonna love me or hate me for what I'm about to show you in this video. There are too many different opinions when it comes to changing the transmission fluid, like when should you do it, how often should it be done, can it damage my transmission, just to mention a few. Stick to the end of this video where I am replacing the fluid on this Nissan Kicks with a CVT transmission, and I will answer all those questions based on my personal experience and what it has been working flawlessly for me so far. Let's begin. Under the car you can see your engine oil pan and oil filter, just to put you on perspective where we are. And there is your transmission fluid pan on the driver's side. This is a 2019 Nissan Kicks, which has no paper filter like the previous models, so don't even look for it. Now back to the engine bay. Here it is your dipstick tube without the dipstick. They don't put those anymore, and it has a cap that it is secured with a tab that we will remove using a flathead screwdriver or something similar. Now I'm just gonna put it back to avoid any contaminants to get inside my transmission. To remove the drain plug, we are gonna be using a 15mm socket. After we remove the plug, just a bit of fluid will come out. In this video, I'm gonna be replacing the transmission fluid only, not the filter. When should you replace your transmission fluid? Well, on a new car, it is recommended to do it every 30 to 50,000 miles. Now, what happens if your car has more than 150,000 miles and you don't know when it was the last time that the transmission fluid was changed? In that case, it all depends. If the transmission is working normal and the fluid looks and smells good, it is recommended you change only 1/4 of fluid every 5,000 miles or while you do your engine oil change, and repeat that process at least 5 times. The purpose of this is to gradually accommodate your transmission to a cleaner fluid before going for a complete change. I've been doing this process on many cars for a long time with not a single failure. Now, what should you do if your transmission is old and it's already giving you problems and you don't know when was the last time the fluid was replaced? Listen carefully. Do not touch it, do not play with it, do not change your fluid, or it will be the last thing you're gonna be doing to that car before having to junk in it. Try something different, but do not change the fluid. Now you will notice that there is something else inside that needs to be removed, and we need a number 5 Allen to remove that pin-like. So once you take that out, you will see all the fluid coming out of the drain plug.
It was really some kind of little bit tight.
Checking transmission fluid is similar to oil, but usually done with the engine running and warm to ensure an accurate reading. Keep in mind that low or degraded transmission fluid can cause shifting problems, slipping gears, and delayed acceleration, and can severely damage the transmission. Keep in mind that transmission fluids are designed to withstand extreme heat. Automatic transmission fluid can operate effectively in temperatures exceeding 175 degrees Fahrenheit, but excessive heat is the main cause of transmission failure. Now we have to put the tube and the plug back in the transmission pan. In addition to lubricating moving parts, transmission fluids cools the transmission and cleans it by suspending contaminant, preventing wear. So now let's go ahead and measure all that fluid that we collected from the transmission, just to make sure that we have the right amount, and that that exact amount is the one that we want to put back into the transmission. It's very important that we use the right fluid. I like to get mine from the dealer. I know it is a little bit more expensive, but it's better than having transmission problems for being cheap and getting some fluid that is not the one that the manufacturer recommended, especially on a CVT transmission. Just get the right stuff and save yourself the headache. And just like that, this job has been done. If you like this video, if you learned something new, please consider liking and subscribing, because I will be posting similar content and you might benefit from it.